Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're actually going to do a reaction video to this, where my mom is actually going to be watching this and she has absolutely no idea what she's about to watch. So I think this is going to be pretty funny. So let's just see how it goes. I can't tell you what it is. It's because you have to do a reaction to it.
How long is it?
Like 20 seconds.
My attention span is about 20 seconds. Ugh. Ugh. It's nothing weird, is it?
No.
Okay, so I'll close my eyes.
Alright, don't close your eyes.
Why?
You hear it?
哦，还行吧？是，不是啊，我扒龙虾的时候你们没有劲儿，那我打的，啊切，啊切，哎，你干嘛？花1000块钱东西啊？我都，我妈嘞，给我。
What is this? This is disgusting.
What the Chinese people do.
This is sick. That's sick.
What's wrong?
That is sick.
You know, a lot of people watch that stuff.
That's sick.